Hello everyone and welcome to Some Networks channel. Hello guys and welcome to another video. In this video we will try to make a simple network connection between a router. This router is router 0 and two switches. We pick the switch here. We click here for the switch 1 and here for the switch 2. We take two AND devices, as we see here the AND devices. For example, we take two PCs here for the connection between the switch 1 and two another PCs here for the connection between switch 2. Now guys, we will make the connections. Let's take here connection between PC2 with fast Ethernet 0 and switch 1 fast Ethernet 01. This is the first connection, and we do the same thing for all other PCs. Fast Ethernet 02, and the same thing here. Fast Ethernet 0, Fast Ethernet 01, and the PC5, we do the same thing. Fast Ethernet 0 with Fast Ethernet 02. Now we have made the connection between switches and devices, PCs. Now let's do the connection between the switches and the routers. We take here, let's pick the gigabit Ethernet 01 here and connect it with the gigabit Ethernet 00. And we do the same thing here. Now let's wait. We connect the gigabit Ethernet 01 with the gigabit Ethernet 001. Now, as you can see, guys, we have made the connection here. Now, we'll make some changes. We do like here. The first network ports in our router has the IP address, for example, 192.168.1.1. This is the gateway that we are going to take. And the second port, 192.168. If we choose one in the first network port, then we will choose 2.1. And we go here. That's the first port, and that's the second port, network port. Then we go to the router 0 here. We go to the configuration. Let's change his name to R1 and the host name to R1, like that. Let's save. Then we go to the CLI command to make the configuration of these two network ports. The first thing that we are going to do is enable, click enter. Then we go to the configuration mode, configure terminal, like here. Then we click enter. We need to configure this one right here, interface. We click interface, gigabyte Ethernet 0/0/0. We click enter. We said that we are going to put this IP address. We put here IP address 192.168.1.1, and the subnet mask for this IP address is 255.255.255.0. We click enter. Then we will active this network port. You will click no shutdown. Then we click enter. As you can see, the port has changed from red to green. And we do the same thing to the network port Gigabyte Ethernet 0/0/1. So let's go back to the configuration mode with this command, exit, then enter. We go to the interface, Gigabyte Ethernet 0/0/1. Yes, then we click enter. The IP address like here is 192.168.2.1. This is the IP address of this network port. Then subnet mask is the same, 255.255.255.0. We click enter. Then guys, always don't forget to do no shutdown. And we click here, no shutdown, or no SH, like that, it works too. We click enter. Then as you can see, the port has changed state to app. Click enter here. Then we exit from here. Now guys, it's time to make the configuration of IP address in these PCs. Let's put here. We have the first is 0.1.1. That's why we will choose 192.168.1. Let's start from 2. Then another IP address 192.168.1.3. Then these two IP addresses here, 192.168.2 for the second network, point 2, the first PC, then the second 192.168.2.3. Now we click here and let's organize these IP addresses here, here, and here. So let's configure these PCs. Click on the first one, config, let's change this name to user 1. We go to the desktop, here, IP configuration. We choose this IP address 192.168.1.2. Then we click enter to get the subnet mask like that. The default gateway here is this port Gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0. That's why we will put this IP address 192.168.1.1 here, and this PC IP address is already configured. Let's go to the second. We configure user number 2 here. Then we go do the same thing. Desktop IP configuration. IP address is here 192.168.1.3. We click enter to get the subnet mask. Then we change the default gateway. It's the same gateway as the last one, 192.168.1.1. like this, and this IP address in this PC for user 2 is configured. We close, then we go to the user number 3, config, user 3, here, desktop, IP configuration, 192.168, what's the IP address here? 0.2.2. We click enter to get the subnet mask. Then the gateway in this network is different from the old one. It's this IP address. The gateway is gigabit Ethernet 0/0/1, not 0. So we choose here 192.168.2.1. The first user is configured. Then we go to user number 4. Configure user 4. Go to the desktop, IP configuration. Go here, 192.168.2. We choose tier 3. We click enter to get the subnet mask. Then we put the default gateway, this gateway, 192.168.2.1, like this, and we have all PCs configured here. So guys, let's try to see the connection between these two PCs. Let's go to user number 1, here, go to the CMD, and let's try to ping this PC, 192.168.1.3. We click enter. As we can see, the ping works properly here. Now let's try it in the PC number 2, CMD 192.168.1.2. No, we forgot the ping command. Ping 192.168.1.2. Then we click enter. It's working here too. Let's try the second connection. We go here, then as we say, we go to the CMD, click 192.168.2. Let's try this PC, point 3. Then we add the ping command, click enter. The connection between these two PCs is working too. So guys, as you can see, we have made a simple network connection with one router, two switches, two PCs, and we have tested the connectivity between these two PCs and these two. Now, what do you think, guys, if we try to ping this PC from this one? Let's see here. Let's ping 192.168.2.2, and we click enter. As you can see, guys, we can ping this PC from the first network here. The first time, then it's pinging like this, guys. And let's try the user number 4 right here, 0.2.3. We click enter. The first one is timed out like the old one. That's because of the PDU. Now if we try another ping here, it will work properly. Ping 19. As you can see here, it's working fine. Thank you guys, and see you on another video. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video, guys. Goodbye.